Hello from the Bureau. It is Tuesday the 7th of October. Let's check out the weather across the country for Wednesday. It is going to be another dry day across most of Australia. There's a quite strong temperature contrast across the country, separated by this dashed blue trough line. So to the north and to the east, it's another fairly warm day, but in the south and in the west, it's a little on the cool side of average. Rainfall, well, there's not much of it, but the rain we are talking about is either in the far north or in the far south, with a little bit building across New South Wales as well. Starting up in Queensland, it's a hot, dry, sunny day for the majority of the state here, including the capital, a high of 30 degrees in Brisbane. That's made to look pretty chilly by this 42-degree temperature out in Birdsville, very gusty out west as well. There will be some showers north of Cairns, and there could be some moderate falls as well, potentially 20 to 40 millimetres in some of the gauges up there. New South Wales also sees a fairly warm day for Wednesday, with a little bit of cloud cover here and there. It will be quite a breezy day across the state, some gusty winds building through the western districts, then across the tablelands through the centre and south of New South Wales, and eventually those wind gusts will build across the east coast as well. The afternoon and evening could see a few showers or possibly even a couple of thunderstorms build on or west of the mountain ranges. Rainfall will be really low, but it will continue to bring those gusty winds. Down to Victoria here, we've actually got a relatively warm day, except for some slightly cooler temperatures in the southwestern corner. Mostly bright and sunny through Wednesday morning. Once we get to the afternoon, a bit of cloud cover moves through overhead, and eventually towards the end of the day some showers kick in as well, especially looking at rainfall across the southwest, including all those coastal areas, as well as a few showers across the northeast of the state, but through the middle should stay relatively dry. No escaping the winds across Tasmania at the moment. It's another windy one on Wednesday. As a cold front approaches in the morning, those winds just get stronger and stronger. Then that cold front crosses through the middle of the day, bringing a spell of rain to the west and north of the state, as well as a period of showers to Hobart in the afternoon. That will be clearing up again before the day comes to a close. Temperatures near average, a little bit warmer in Hobart with a high of 19. We have a mild day in South Australia. There's some cloud around, there's some sun overhead, and temperatures are tending to fall just on the cool side of the ledger, a few degrees below average. Dry through the morning and afternoon, but as we approach the evening, we'll see showers move onto the southern coastline, as well as the islands and peninsulas, and possibly a few spots of rain building through some of the pastoral districts in the north as well. Temperatures are also on the cool side of average through almost all of Western Australia, but it's a fairly pleasant day outside of that. The wind is dying away. The sky should open up to be mostly sunny as well. There'll be the light spot of rainfall across some of the southern and western coastlines, but the vast majority of the day in almost all areas will be relatively clear overhead. Up in the north, temperatures are of course quite a bit warmer. Pilbara seeing about the mid-30s for their maximum temperatures. And it's really hot across northern Australia. It's been that way through the week so far, and Wednesday is showing no signs of slowing down. We've got a number of temperatures which begin with a 41 degrees here, 40 degrees down here, 39 through Tennant Creek in the middle, 39 in Port Hedland as well. Once again, the day does carry a bit of a risk of a shower or even a storm around the Darwin area, but most of the region will stay dry. If you'd like any more information for the second half of the week, you can find your longer range forecast on the Bureau's website or app. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.